All right, I got 3 ways for you to maximize your fitness results in 30 days or less, and they're all free. The first one is you have to join a challenge. We've been doing this for like 15 years, and I've been doing this for 10 years myself before professionally. I've seen the most results from fitness challenges. So join a challenge. It doesn't have to cost money. You could ask your friends. You could ask your coworkers. Do something to get yourself challenged and motivated for 21 days, 30 days, 6 weeks, whatever it is. The next one is you need to have a program. So have something written out. You can find them online. You can find a professional. You can find a friend that makes them. Make yourself a systematic program to follow so you know what you're doing every single day. And lastly is nutrition. You have to add in nutrition to see fitness results. It'll optimize your workouts. It'll give you energy to help you recover better. You can find many programs online if it's not customizable specifically for you, but you need something to follow when it comes to nutrition. Do all those 3 things, you're guaranteed results.